Everything will be alright, just believe in me. If I have you here with me, then your smile is all I need. You and I on the day that plays together, standing so high, reaching the sky. Felt the rushing wind of tomorrow. Can you feel it? My hand on your hand, overflowing courage and love. Feel the beat synchronize and our hearts harmonize, lifting me high above into the blue sky and beyond. I looked around the world and found the only, my one and only precious treasure. Now that I've got you, I've learned to believe in us, believe in the power together forever. I felt a quiet touch, a miracle from my heart on a magical stormy night.
Oh, the water always tastes so good here. Huh, if only May were here.
Isn't this good, Gabu?
It sure is, kiddo. Yeah, it'd sure be better if she were here. Huh?
What's a goat doing here?
Huh? It sure is pretty, but I could never bring May here. Oh, it's so shimmery. Oh. Whoa! Dizzy. Must be because I haven't slept in 3 days. Oh, this darn toothache. Good thing it doesn't hurt as much as it used to.
Gabu,
Uh-huh. Oh, you're back.
how's the tooth?
Better. Lots better. Too bad you didn't get better sooner.
Yeah, sooner would have been better.
What?
It was a great hunt.
Yeah, too bad you had to stay home because of a stupid toothache.
I'm stuffed.
Oh, good for you. You snooze, you lose.
I sure could use a snooze.
I haven't eaten for 3 days. No sleeping either. I'm gonna keel over pretty soon. Let's meet at Soa Soa Plain tomorrow. May. All right! Yikes! You gone bonkers?
'Cause you're so hungry?
Nah, I'm feeling great. My toothache just got better. Just excited, that's all.
Good morning, everyone. All righty, kids, get in line. Let's settle down.
Down. Let's get in line. Kids, listen up. Come on, kids. Line up.
Oh, May, you certainly are popular.
Come on, kids. Listen to your teacher. You need to get in line. Okay, May.
Ahem. Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mrs. White.
Today is a beautiful day. It's a perfect day for our field trip. Before we leave, I'm going to ask you 3 questions. I want everyone to answer in a loud voice.
Yes, Mrs. White.
Question number 1. If we find some delicious-looking grass while we're walking, what do?
We stop to eat.
No, we mustn't stop to eat. We eat after we get there. Alrighty. Question number 2. What do we do if it looks like it's going to start raining?
We come home.
Yes, that's right. We don't want to get wet and catch a cold, so we'll come right back. Alrighty, children. And now for the last question. What do we do if we see a wolf along the way?
We run away. We run away. We run away.
Yes. Very good. We run away as fast as we can.
Run, run, run.
Yes, very good. Then let's line up.
Yay!
Ready? March in place. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
They're so cute.
I know.
It sure brings back memories.
Of what?
Of what?
Oh, so sweet. Not cute at all.
What's that supposed to mean?
Alrighty, kids. We're off to Soa Plain.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
What's the matter? They always go to Soa Plain.
They do?
Yeah, it's the annual joint field trip.
What? It's the joint field trip?
What, May? Why do you look so surprised?
Oh, I'm not surprised. The joint field trip at Soa Plain is...
The joint field trip is when all the kids from Mount Sawa, Para Field, and Suzu Island get together to eat lunch, run, race, play, share.
Huh?
The sun is yellow, and I'm all dizzy. Oh, I'm starving. Can't walk straight. Looks like May's not coming for a while. So I guess... Oopsies. Wish May would come. So sleepy. Gotta eat. Gotta see May. Gotta shut my eyes.
Huh? Are you serious? Why are you going on a field trip with a bunch of kids?
Because it'll be fun. I just want to see.
Well, you can't. You're not a little kid anymore. You're too big. It's not
great.
normal to even think
Another
about going on a
lecture.
field trip with a bunch of little kids.
Oh, yeehaw! Meal delivery service! Oh, boy! It's a walking buffet line! Yowee! I haven't eaten for 4 days! I could eat a horse! I mean a goat! Oh, thank you! Here comes breakfast in bed! Oh, no! What have I done?
I promised I wouldn't eat another goat. Oh, no, no, no. This is a nightmare. Oh, this is not good. What? Huh? Huh? Oh, what's going on? They're coming this way. You've got to be kidding! All those kids! No way!
1, 2, halt!
Oh.
Good job, kids!
Here we are at Soa Plain.
You may all play now. Oh. Go away!
Oh, it's good to
What?
see you again.
How have you been?
Oh, how wonderful! Look at this! The color,
The luster.
The scent.
the grass here is the best!
Oh no! I'm surrounded! This is bad. Very, very bad. What am I supposed to do?
I know,
Can you believe it?
That's amazing.
but it's true.
Are you sure?
It has to be.
This isn't good at all. Oh! Shh! Don't do that!
Are you serious?
No! Really?
Unbelievable. What's going on?
Alrighty, kids. Are you getting hungry?
We're hungry! I'm hungry.
Alrighty, come this way.
Over here, kids.
Do you want some lunch?
Yes,
Serving lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
If a wolf came here, I'd stab it with my sharp horns and kick him as hard as I could with these strong legs. Like this. Ha! Whoa! Ow. Ow. Huh? May?
Are you ready?
Let's get started.
It's time for our lunch race.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Lunch race?
We're going to count to 100.
The first team that reaches us.
Will be the winner. Are you ready?
Get set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Lunch race!
48,
49.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Whoa! Whoa! I don't believe this!
you can eat! It's a drive-through! That's delivering! It's a buffet! Oh, yeah, but I promised I'd never eat another goat. But I think what I meant was white goats. Yeah, of course. I'm sure that's what I meant. Huh? This one? Or that one? Oh. Today is my lucky day. But... Oh, I can't. Oh, what was I thinking? I'm going bonkers! 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 Bonkers, bonkers, bonkers!
97, 98, 99,
100! Alrighty, kids!
Stop! Bonkers! Bonkers, bonkers,
Mrs.
bonkers!
Wise, something's in there.
What?
I heard something.
You did?
It said bonkers.
It did?
Oh, this isn't good! Away! Go away!
Alrighty, kids, alrighty, kids. Which team came in first?
But there's something in there. I heard it. It was scary.
Yes. Now
It's
go
all
back to your
right.
groups.
Don't worry.
Are you sure you hid it in there?
Yes. Can't you smell it?
I can't. The scent of the flowers is too strong.
Enough sniffing.
It's nothing.
Everything's fine.
Now, don't sniff around.
Go back to your groups.
So, who came in first?
Was it a three-way tie?
Yes, I think it was.
So, the winner of this year's lunch race is everyone.
Yay! We all won! We all won!
Oh.
What a surprise.
Are you all right?
Well, yes, I, just, Hi, kids. I, just,
Well then, let's play another game. It's called What's Inside?
Yay!
A what's inside game?
It's a game to guess what's inside the bushes.
Let's touch it and take a guess.
What?
Excuse me.
Yes, dear.
Can we play a different game? Like Soil Edge?
What's that?
It's a game where everyone runs to the edge.
Oh, a race?
Yes, sort of.
It sounds lovely, but we've already started this game.
And we already hid the answer.
They hid the answer?
We want the kids to find it while it's still fresh and yummy.
Yummy?
Alrighty, kids. Are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Take your marks for the What's Inside game. Get set, go!
It's soft. It's big.
What?
job, Sammy. You found the cherries.
I did?
Looky here, everyone. Sammy found what's inside. The answer is cherries.
Wow!
Alrighty! The winner of the game is Sammy!
The cherries are all yours.
Oh! But I touched something furry. It was warm and slimy.
Oh dear, you probably touched a squirrel.
Was it really? But the answer was cherries.
La 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 la.
It looks like it's going to start raining.
Kids, what do we do if it looks like rain?
We go home.
Yes, that's right.
We go home.
Let's hurry and go home now.
Alrighty, kids, get in line.
Yes, Mrs. White. This is my line.
We'll see you again.
At the annual joint field trip.
See you next year.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
I wasn't sure what was gonna happen, kiddo. Oh,
Oh. Here you go. Oh,
you can have it.
I can?
Of course, kiddo.
Oh, thank you. Yummy.
I'm glad you like them. Huh?
Oh. Are you all right?
No biggie. I'm used to it.